Today we are going to talk about something that might just flip your idea of school upside down. What if education felt more like a game? What if unlocking a new skill was as fun as unlocking a new level? From leaderboards in classrooms to full-on educational video games, this is the world of gamification and game-based learning. And it's quietly transforming how we teach and learn. I'm Akidu Vanasinger, and this is your Foundation IT Technology Showcase. So let's break this down. Gamification is when we take elements we usually see in games, like points, badges, levels, and achievements, and apply them to non-game environments like classrooms. Think of it as putting a game layer on top of your regular school activities. You complete an assignment, you earn points. You ace a quiz, you unlock a badge. Your class participates actively, you move up on the leaderboard. Then we have game-based learning, or GBL for short. This is when the learning itself is delivered through a game. Instead of gamifying a lesson, the whole thing is a game. Apps like Duolingo teaches you languages through short, fun challenges. Minecraft Education Edition teaches you about history, coding, and even environmental science, all inside a virtual world. The goal? The learning makes an immersive and engaging as a favorite mobile or video game. I choose this topic because I think most of us, especially in today's digital generation, learn differently now. We are surrounded by technology, we are used to feedback being instant, progress being visible, and the learning being active. But let's be honest, sometimes traditional education doesn't really work like that. Lectures can feel passive, textbooks can feel outdated, so it got me thinking. How can we bring education into the 21st century? Gamification and game-based learning aren't just fads. They are emerging technologies with serious potential, and someone is interested in both education and IT. I wanted to explore how these tools are being used in classrooms, what's working, what's not, and what's next. Let's get into the nuts and bolts. Gamification works by adding game mechanics to your learning journey. Think point systems for completing work, achievement badges for mastering skills, progress bars so you always know how far you come, leaderboards to build healthy competition. These features does not make learning fun, they make it measurable. Now with game-based learning, it's building a full game experience with educational goals. For example, in Classcraft, students create a fantasy character and earn points by doing homework or helping their classmates. If they skip a class, their character loses health points. It sounds silly, but it works. Here's the thing, it's not just about the rewards, it's about the feedback loops. Games gives you feedback right away. Education traditionally doesn't. Gamified tools fill that gap. Okay, let's talk tech. Gamified learning systems are built on a mix of modern IT platforms. Most run on cloud infrastructure, which means students can access them from anywhere. This makes it easy for remote learning and global classrooms. Some like Kahoot and Quizzes are built using web technologies like HTML and JavaScript. They are lightweight, browse-based, and do not need high-end computers to run. Others like Minecraft Edition are more advanced. They used engines like Unity or Unreal and integrated 3D graphics, multiplayer calibration, the real-time simulations. We also see more using AI in platforms like Duolingo. The app analyzes your performance and adjusts the difficulty in real time. You don't even realize it, but it's customizing your learning path as you go. And of course, there are AR and VR, where learning becomes immersive. Want to walk through an ancient Rome in history class? With VR, you can. So here's the big question. Does gamification actually works better than traditional teaching? Well, research say yes and no. One 2023 study in the Journal of Educational Technology showed that students in gamified environments had 20% higher engagement and better long-term retention than those in regular classrooms. The interactive elements help them to stay motivated and focused. Gamification also promotes active learning, collaboration, and autonomy, things that passive lectures often lack. But it's not perfect. Some critics says that too much focus on rewards can lead to students only learning for points, not for understanding. And let's face it, if a game is well designed, it actually can distract more than help. The trick is the balance. The game should not support the learning, not replace it. Let's talk limitations. First, access. Not every school has the budget for iPads, VR headsets, and high speed internet. That creates a digital divide where wealthier students get access to better tools. Second, training. Teachers need to know how to use these tools effectively. Without proper support, gamified system can just make gimmicks. Third, there's a risk of overuse. Not everything should be a game. Sometimes learning requires deep focus, not just fast clicks. And finally, the data. These platforms collect a lot of it, from performance stats to personal info. Who owns that data? How is it being used? These are ethical questions we need to ask as we move forward. Despite the challenges, the future is bright. As AI, machine learning, and VR evolve, gamified education will only get smarter, more immersive, more inclusive. Imagine full gamified school where progress isn't measured by grades but by your skills, achievements, and creativity. A world where students explore virtual labs, solve quests with classmates, and learn through doing. We are not there yet, but we are getting closer. And maybe, just maybe, the future of education will be a lot less like homework and a lot more like an adventure. I am Akidwana Singh, and this has been your Foundation IT Technology Showcase. Thanks for listening.